Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 3. Write each of the following as decimal. Here you see question A is 7/10, right? You have to write it in decimal, right? Therefore you see 7/10. 7/10 means 0.7, right? That means the place value of 7 is tenths, 0.7, right? Question number B is 2 tenths, 9 tenths. 2 tenths. If you write here, that is ones, tens, hundred, and it is tenths. Tens, right? 2 tenths, right? 2 tenths means 2 tenths. In place of ones, that is 0 ones, 0 ones, and tenth is 9 tenths. 9 tenths. That means if in the following decimal you can write here as 20, 20.9. Why? Because 2 tenths, 0 ones, and 9 tenths, right? Now question number C. 14.6. Question number 6 is 14.6. That is 1 for 14, then 0.6, right? D is 102 ones. 102 ones. That means question number D is 102 ones. 100. That is if we write the place value 100 tens ones. That is 200, 102. 102 ones. 100, 100 and 2 ones, right? That is 102. 100 and 2 ones, right? That means here ones is 2, tens is 0, and 100 is 1. That is 102. Now question number E. Question number E is 600.8. 600, that is 600.8. Okay, this is the way in which you can write the various decimals.